What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a look inspired by another YouTuber. Her name is JuicyJas and I love watching her so much, and I just love this look that she did. And there's another look that I love too, but you know, can't copy everything she does, can I? So if you want to see how I got this look, keep watching. Okay, so I've already put my base on my face, foundation and concealer, and I've put my eyebrows on as well. I used eyeshadow for my brows just because they're really dark and I don't want to use my other brow products and my eyeliner that I've been using because they would just get even darker, and I am going to bleach them. So stay tuned for that. Get right into the eyeshadows, and I'm gonna prime my eyes with the LA Girl Pro Conceal. So with the clean brush, she starts off with a very nudie color on the crease. I'm gonna use the Profusion Starlit palette, and I'm using this color. I believe it's a very nudie color for my lid. I'm just putting that in the crease. And I brought it out to here. I'm gonna blend this out, but it's gonna be like more blown out than how hers was. So as I'm going, I'm gonna take a different brush, and it's gonna be clean. And I'm going to blend the edges. And she didn't do like an in-between step, but I'm gonna do an in-between step. I'm gonna take this slightly darker nudie color, and I'm gonna put that in the crease. So next, the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette, taking a mustard color and putting that in the crease a little lower as well. And then from the Colorina Makeup Studio Color Squad, I'm taking this yellow and I'm gonna put it on my lid. And this is a brand that I believe you can only get in Puerto Rico because it says Apoya lo de aquí with the flag, hashtag Apoya lo de aquí. And yeah, it's basically shop local, support your local small business. So what she did was she just took it on her finger and put it right on. Alright. So in the Morphe and James Charles palette, I'm taking this brown and putting that in the crease. So taking the same brown from the James Charles palette, I'm going to run that across my lower lash line. With the clean brush, we want to push that line out of the way. So out of the Jaclyn Hill palette, I am taking this very light pinky shade and putting that on the brow bone. So out of the BH Take Me Back to Brazil palette, using a more gold yellow. On the inner waterline. So normally this look, like the way that she did it, looks really good with false lashes, but I hate lashes and I don't have any, so I'm just not about to do that. So I'm just gonna put my Lash Blast mascara on my lashes. amo. Okay, this is a Sephora highlighting palette, and I'm going to use this very light gold shade to highlight. This is the Rimmel Stay Matte, and I'm not sure what color it is in, but it looks like this. So with this look, I definitely wanted to be a little bit more bronzed up. This is, you know, I'm still pale. This is the final look. Thank you guys so much for watching, and also I would love to thank JuicyJas for being so amazing, and I love her looks, and I watch her all day, and even when I'm not watching her and I'm napping, her videos are playing so she can get her coin, because girl, I love you. I will see you in another video super soon, and thank you guys for your continuous support. Honestly, thank you. Bye.